Hello, welcome to the Jeff Report, coming to you from Canyons Resort. Beautiful spring skiing conditions. Come out and join us. Wow, what a difference a year makes. Let me go and explain a little bit more. Here's January through December of 2012. As you can see from this chart, number of units sold up 10% for last year. Total dollar volume up 15% last year, and we ended the year down 18% in inventory. And that was a pretty good year, but look at this. January, February of this year, up 28.4%. 30.5% in single family, 31% in condo, 29% in vacant land. And then you look at the volume, 70.8% dollar volume up, 102% in single family homes, condos up 43%, vacant land up 17.6%. We're having a great start to the year, and we hope this continues, obviously. If you have questions about real estate in the Canyons or in Park City, please give me a call, and I'll be happy to assist you. Have a great day, and until next time, bye.